And that you were aboard my Hyperlite Floss Flowrider. This thing flies pretty damn good, I have to admit. So I come over, I want to go ahead and dial it in and tune it and lock it in. I've learned a little bit about tuning from what we met up the other day, and then watching a couple videos. So this thing doesn't have smart audio, so yeah. But it does fly pretty damn good. So it's running some ZMX motors. Like I said, this thing doesn't have the best shit into it. 2300 kV motors on some Azure power props. Whatever these little crazy props are. Seems to run pretty damn good though, so I can't complain about that. 4S pack running to 1300 milliamp hour CNHLs. Wow. Probably a 25-degree camera angle. So I was really happy with that. Thanks for watching.